Well, hello! It is time for yet another acrylic pour tutorial, but this time it's going to be on a white base. And the three colors that I am choosing to go through the center of this canvas are going to be... what are they? One second. Carbon Black by Golden, Prussian Blue by Amsterdam, Payne's Gray by Winsor and Newton. Okay, well, I'm Lydia Broderick and welcome to my channel. So the first thing that I am going to show you is how I tape the back of the canvas. This is to keep the canvas really clean, and then I just stick push pins in the corner to keep it elevated from the surface so that when I pour paint over it, it's not just going to pool right around the edges. This is a really long canvas to try and fit into this whole frame so that it's close enough where you can see everything that's going on. Okay, so now I have my white base on here, and I'm just going to torch out the bubbles. And I'm going to do kind of a different pattern today, so I'm going to kind of start going off to the sides because this is such a long canvas. Okay, well, this has had the opportunity to dry for a couple of days. I'm really happy with the way that it came out because anybody who watches my channel knows that I pretty much use an acrylic pour as a backdrop in order for me to add some realism onto it. So I'm not really sure which way I'm gonna work with this. There are just so many ways that I already have an idea of what I want to do on it because I just see so many cool patterns in it. I love how it turned out, and I'll show you the back. And the reason why I tape this up is because you get this nice clean back when you take the tape off. There's no paint stuck to the wood or anything like that. So this is the dried pour. It's a 16 by 40 inch canvas. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do something with it vertically or horizontally, but I do have an idea of the kind of thing I want. So stay tuned to see what I actually end up doing with this pour. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. So our color combination for today is going to be golden